In this drawing, we have created a cute girl with a stylish V-shaped haircut, beautifully shown from the back view. The unique hairstyle highlights the natural flow of the hair, giving the sketch an aesthetic and modern look. This type of haircut is very trendy and loved by girls who want a fashionable yet simple style. If you are looking for drawing ideas for hairstyle, aesthetic girl sketches, or a cute back view poses, then this artwork is a great inspiration. It can also be used in school projects, art practice, or as a creative reference for pens, sketches, and digital art. Art lovers will surely enjoy the elegance and simplicity captured in this piece. Stay tuned for more creative and easy drawing ideas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for daily artistic inspirations. Thank you for watching.